Hi there, Laura from Meat-Based Mindset. You might have noticed in my last video I was talking about sustainability, the benefits of a meat-based diet, and the one important thing I forgot to mention, but I don't want this to be your only reason to start a meat-based diet, is weight loss. I went on for almost 10 minutes in my last video of all of the benefits, chronic pain reduction, inflammation, beneficial mental health issues resolved. I went on and then stopped the video and thought, well, I've lost a lot of weight. We'll talk more about that, but I don't want weight loss to be the only reason. I don't want that to be your why. We need a stronger why than weight loss. So let your why be chronic inflammation. Let your why be healing mental health issues, autoimmune disease, many different things, Crohn's, colitis. I don't want it to be weight loss. That is naturally going to happen as we heal our bodies eating a proper human diet, eating exactly what nature intended. Anyways, again, nice to see y'all. Meat Mindset, follow me, like me, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more to say, so we will talk soon. Take care.